How to use Instacart gift cards. Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use Instacart gift cards. So what you want to do is, first thing first, you could use it during a checkout procedure as well. If you don't want to use it in a checkout procedure, want to save it for later use, you go to the profile initials at the top right. There, you just want to make sure to scroll down and you can look for gift card, but this is actually send a gift card. So you just want to make sure to go to credit prompts and gift card. Here it is. Here, you just want to make sure to go and select add and start adding in the promo code or a gift card, and you could save it for later use. And whenever you're checking out, you could simply go to the card section, and there you could just go and select continue shopping, or you just want to make sure to go ahead and tap the card icon and go to close. And when you do this, you will be taken to a checkout page where you could simply go ahead and start adding in your gift card number or use your gift card in order to get certain amount of discount. And this way you'll be able to use Instacart gift card. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.